How to use the NHS app. This guide is for people who have already downloaded and registered with the NHS app. When you open the NHS app, you will need to choose Continue with NHS Login and gain access by typing in your email address and the password you chose when you set up your account. If you have any trouble logging in, and it's safe to do, you might find it easier to choose Show on the password box to check that you have typed it correctly. If you're still having issues, choose Forgotten Password and the app will help you from there. When you are in, you can access the NHS app functions that your GP has enabled, such as booking appointments at your GP surgery, ordering repeat prescriptions, and viewing your GP health record. You can access most of the features from the main page. To view your GP health record, you will need to select this option from the list on the main page, and you may need to give the NHS app permission to view your health records. It will then display your full name, date of birth, NHS number, address, and a list of your allergies and adverse reactions, along with any short-term and repeat medicines you have been prescribed, including ones you no longer need to take. To go back to the main page of the app, choose the back link or the home button at the top left of the screen. To book or view appointments at your GP surgery, hospital, or other appointments, choose the Appointments button along the bottom of the screen. Some general practices do not offer appointment booking through the app. If this is the case, you will need to contact your practice directly to book an appointment. If your GP offers appointment booking through the app, from here you can see a list of any upcoming or past appointments with your GP surgery. You can also book a new one by selecting the green Book an Appointment button. You can then select the type of appointment you need and the location of your general practice. Please note that due to COVID-19 restrictions and challenges, it might be that your general practice is only offering telephone appointments initially. To view and order prescriptions, firstly click the prescriptions icon along the bottom of the screen. Here, you can view your orders and request a repeat prescription that can be signed off by your GP. Using the app for repeat prescriptions saves a lot of time compared to calling or visiting your general practice. For non-repeat prescriptions, you can book an appointment, or if you have an emergency, follow the web link to 111.nhs.uk, and you will be guided through the website from there. When you're ready for them, there are many other useful features of the NHS app, including getting your NHS COVID pass, getting advice, and tracking your health. Once you've learnt how to use it, the NHS app gives you fast, safe, and secure digital access to important health advice, prescriptions, and health records to give you the information you need at your fingertips.